And that's how our boat rental is looking. Let's keep watching the radar, and maybe this won't all fall apart completely. Out of breath. Hey guys, so we're heading towards the boat now. It's a bit later than we wanted, but we had to wait at the front there, and then the guy didn't want to rent me the boat today. He says it's windy and there's a tornado warning for this afternoon later on. So after a lot of convincing, telling him I'll be back the second the skies change anyways, before they change, and once I convinced him that if I throw my e-bike, because it's heavy in the front of the boat, it'll help keep the front down and the weight distributed, he finally said fine, take it, be back before it gets any worse. So I just didn't want to ruin the day, which I waited here an extra day just to do this. So hopefully we could get 2 hours of fishing out of this park and make way and leave tomorrow. I did talk to him about fishing here. He says if it was calmer out, he pointed to a certain area, says he caught a 46-pound pike there not too long ago. Says the lake is covered in them. Tells me if I use anything with silver or green or MEPS, which just so happens to be, MEPS is my favorite lure to use for pike. He says hopefully I should be able to pull it out. He says he does a lot better in the mornings and in the evenings here, but that's fishing in itself, and being 1 o'clock in the afternoon, probably not the best time, but it is earlier in the season. The water temperature is a bit cooler, so they should remain active longer into the day. Realistically, our goal is just to catch a pike of any size. To say we caught a pike in northern Ontario, and from there we can start heading back. I did just discover a disaster in the RV that it's going to take a bit of planning, thinking, and how to address it, but we're not worried about it right now. I don't care how bad it is, we're going fishing. So here's our boat, here's my bike. Let me get set up inside, get the motor running, and the wind's blowing this way, so I might just go out that way a bit and see. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe, depending on how the motor runs, troll my way over there just to cover maximum ground. So I'll see you in a few minutes when I'm in the boat. You know what, it is quite windy here, and I'm blocked by the bay, so that lake is going to be pretty bad in the open. And if I have to be out here in that kind of conditions, I'm not shooting with a little map. So let's go for the bigger trolling rod with this big double spoon on there, and hopefully catch a pig. I only have 2 hours. Let's aim for the big guy. Hopefully, I'm gonna use this big bastard. It's known to catch some nice pike. It has the silver he talks about on the backside, so maybe it'll annoy them and trigger the bite. Let's go. The camera doesn't show it, but we're getting some nice swells out here, and we've been out here for 5 minutes, so literally took like 2 minutes, 3 minutes to troll this whole peak. So the wind's still picking up by the minute. Now when we got out here 10 minutes ago, there was no white caps. Now I have white caps over there, so it's probably going to be a short day. So let's try to get across to that side first, just quickly while we still can, cast for 5-10 minutes, and then come back, tuck in here, and make the best out of this shallow bay. What else could I really do? So let's go. Water has changed in the last 15 minutes. I just checked my phone. It says we have 38-kilometer gusts and 28-kilometer winds, so that would explain why I can't go out on the main lake. but even this bay right here where it was completely calm 10 minutes ago, it is now pretty windy. So whoa, whoa, whoa. Notice the guy also has the boat plug on the wrong side of the boat. I'm not changing it now. I'm in the middle of the lake. I don't know, we got a boat up against the shore over there. He is tied to a kayak or something. I don't know if he tried to save the kayak or the one guy just got back in the boat. I can get close to them and see if they need help or anything. Are you okay? Everything okay? Alright, we're right here by the boat launch. The sky is progressively getting darker and the wind is becoming ridiculous. But I'm able to tuck in here. I got like a 50 square meter section that isn't blowing. So I'm right behind the trees. So I'm gonna spend the next 10-20 minutes casting. And as I see that darkness roll in a little closer, oh look, a first break of sun in a while. As I see that darkness roll in a little closer, I'm gonna, how did I get a snag? Jesus, Murphy. Anyways, as I was saying, as I see that darkness rolling closer, I'm gonna try to get to shore and at the same time leave myself enough time to get all the way back to my RV, drop off the life jackets and stuff. That's probably 15 minutes or so. So we're up to 2 ropes and half a tree. 2 fishing lines, 1 rope, and half a tree. Wow, I had a breath. Guess we made it back with only a few minutes to spare. It's dark all of a sudden. You could hear the wind has picked up even more. The sun is gone, and any second now you'll hear more thunder because it just keeps roaring around. And all these bugs around me, there's millions. They're gonna be gone in a minute. But what I'm trying to do right now over the last 2 minutes is I tied the bike up, closed the awning. I closed the awning so maybe the rain could wash this thing a little bit for me. Jeez, it's crazy out here. And I packed everything out here so I don't have to do it in the rain after, and B, so when I'm finished work tomorrow, it's going to be the afternoon. I have a 5-hour drive to the next place, to Mogami, and if I have to waste time doing fill stations, dumping, tying everything down, again, I'm not going to make it before it closes. So if I hit the road 3:30, I should be okay to make it in time to that park. What I'm gonna do for the rest of the evening, there's the thunder. Anyways, about the boat, yeah, it was a waste of money. If I wasn't so stubborn, I wouldn't have even went. But like, look where I am. I'm 9 hours from home. I had to try. The lady did feel bad that I was only out there for like 2 hours tops. So she says she's gonna talk to the guy and see if she could just give me a refund for it. But if not, you know what, it was my choice to go out. Can't get mad at them. So what I'm gonna do for the rest of the evening is I have a major problem in there that I'll talk about later. We actually broke quite a lot of things on this trip. Had a lot of really good things, a lot of lessons learned, and a lot of bad things, but we'll summarize all of that after the trip. So what I'm gonna do right now is figure out how bad my issue is inside, if I have to start ripping up floors or not. I'm also gonna go take a shower, do some laundry if I have enough change, and then because I skipped out of work an hour early, I gotta catch up on that so I'm not behind. So by that time I should probably kill 4 hours, 5 hours. I'll go to bed, wake up, work, and we'll hit the road tomorrow towards Tamagami. It's the next stop, no matter what. This is insane. All right, guys, this is why an example or evidence of why I had to get off the water ASAP and could only have spent 2 hours out there. So right now we have the winds picked up pretty big. I could hear it coming down. Oh, that was hail. Oh, so it says right here, it says 5:53 p.m. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing very strong winds and gusts up to nickel-sized hail. There goes my power. Damn it. This severe thunderstorm is located 16 kilometers south of Kapuskasing, moving northeast, so towards me, at 65 kilometers an hour. Hazard, 90 kilometer an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Oh, there's the hail. Damn. Large hail can damage property, blah, 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 blah. Severe thunderstorm issues when imminent or occurring thunderstorms are likely to produce one or more of the following: large hail, damaging winds, torrential rainfall. We are, holy shit, about to get caught in a tornado or something here. I better close this. Oh, that was hail. Damn it. Oh, that was a big hail too. Oh. We're under attack. Seek cover. Don't I have enough issues in here already right now? Oh, this is serious. What's crazy is it just instantly became sunny and quiet. Like instantly. It's still raining. It just quickly became sunny. That's a severe thunderstorm. Damn. Well, at least we survived the first wave. Second wave's coming. Oh, but I'm gonna be in the shower. And I just found a massive leak from the rain. Fantastic. Let's see. I've been driving through this park looking around, and there's quite a lot of damage, quite a lot of downed trees. Just behind me over there was whole gazebo, everything just completely into the woods, destroyed. Yeah, it's doesn't look good. Oh, showers are locked. That's because there's no power and there's damage everywhere. So I either empty mine, or B, jump in the lake, or C, have some patience.